VisualCut allows you to search and update multiple Crystal reports by targeting formulas, text objects, and expressions for mass update, mass translation of text objects, importing formula definitions from Excel workbooks, updating fonts, re-importing subreports, and mass updating data sources. All these items already have video demos, and in the descriptions below, I will provide links for those videos. This video demonstration focuses on mass updating Commands SQL. Here is a sample report that uses commands for both the main as well as the subreport. If I go to the database expert and edit this command, here's the SQL statement. In VisualCut, let's run this sample report. Both the main report and the subreport have two columns, first name and last name of the sales rep. We're going to try and update the commands so that they include a column for the full name. So going back to the Select Report tab, if I right-click this sample report and select Inspect and Update, I could select multiple reports for mass update, but in this particular case, I'll just do this for this particular report. The Report Inspector pops up, and the resulting inspection grid includes the properties for the SQL statements of the commands. Using this menu option, I'm going to select Find and Replace. I'm going to find this part of the SQL and replace it with an expanded version that includes the full name of the employee. When I click Replace, the dialog tells me that two expressions were updated. The background color reflects that change, and the status is now saying pending. We can now select the option to update RPTs and save to a temp folder. I'm going to open that folder, select the updated RPT, and open it in Crystal. If I now go to the database fields and expand this command, I can see that a new column called full name has been added. So I can take these objects and drag the full name into the report. I'll edit a subreport, remove the individual columns, and if I go into the subreport command, indeed there's a full name column there. And if I go now and preview the report, I have the full name column in both the main report and the subreport.